This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota Prius headlight bulb. First, identify your bulb type, either HID or halogen, as the process has minor differences. You will need a thin flathead screwdriver and nitrile gloves to avoid touching the new bulb. Always ensure your vehicle's engine is off and cool before beginning any work for safety. To access the driver's side bulb, begin by removing the front engine bay cover, which is usually held by a few clips. Next, carefully lift the fuse cover. This provides a crucial extra 1 inch of workspace, making the next step much easier. Then, gently rotate the headlight socket cover counterclockwise to detach it. This step can be a bit tight due to limited space, so take your time and work patiently. Now, disconnect the wiring harness from the old bulb. For halogen bulbs, you'll unclip a metal retainer. For HID, you might push wire clips outward. Gently pull the old bulb straight out, being careful not to touch the glass. Insert the new bulb, ensuring its notches align perfectly, then secure it with the retaining clip. Remember to wear gloves to prevent oils from shortening the bulb's life. The passenger side is often tighter. You may need to remove a plastic air inlet tube for better access. Follow the same removal and installation steps for this bulb. Once both new bulbs are installed, reconnect all wiring and test them to ensure they function correctly before replacing all covers. For more helpful tips and other deals, check the description below, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.